seen this contest. Humble even the most seasoned warriors, Diana.
I can do it. She just, I think, dancing around like in a hat and sunglasses or something. And this guy just walked up to me and they said, you really look like the person I'm casting for. And, you know, I'd love if you could come and audition. And my mum was like, she's never acted before.
Your time will come, Diana.
Training took 6 months, and then we were like, when is this going to start filming? Bow and arrow and, you know, horse training as well. Kind of just getting because I was already quite fit and active, but kind of just muscle as well, trying to build muscle to create the Amazon shears. My mum went to the racetrack and won 2 weeks after having me. I got my first pony when I was 2, I think. Initially, the kind of acting was to fund the show jumping because it's a very expensive sport. And I'd love to, you know, win Oscars and win BAFTAs and go to the Olympics. So yeah, I would love to do them both.
That is quite an ambition, to win an Oscar and perhaps an Olympic gold medal. How possible would that be?
Yes, well, hopefully anything is possible. So just hard work and dreams, I guess.
Think about finally having everything.
Is literally the best human on earth, and you know, she's so kind and just would do anything for anybody. We used to go to the beach all the time because obviously we're in the same hotel.
Yes!
Yeah, I'm the only like person in Wonder Woman that comes with a horse.